Hello everybody and welcome to the lovely Logan's family vlog. Let's show them how the mushroom looks like.
Yeah.
Yep, these are the different type of mushroom that we'll be cutting today. They look very different, but trust me, they taste so good, so delicious.
This smells disgusting, but it tastes really good.
Yeah,
I hope it tastes good.
yeah, you tried it before.
Oh yeah, I did.
Don't you remember?
Yeah, I do remember. One. Two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Just like that.
Mm-hmm.
We want to get something like this, just like that. And what we're gonna do next is, is to dump them in a hot boiling water.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
And also, don't forget to subscribe this channel.
Yes, tell them what I mean. Tell them.
And also, the like button is up here.
But you do have to cook these mushrooms for 8 minutes. Alright?
And also make sure to cook this so you can be a hamburger. I love hamburgers.
You never had a hamburger. You're vegetarian, silly girl.
I know. Make sure to see my cute face.
So guys, I think the mushrooms are cooked and ready. So what we're gonna do next? What we're gonna do next, Daddy?
And also we're gonna take off the lid, and then after we're gonna put it in the hamburger.
No. So we're gonna get this boiling hot mushroom to dump them into the cold water.
You know what? I'm gonna eat the whole hamburger.
Okay, let's see it. Once it's ready. That looks so ready. And this is the cold water. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn the stove off. We have them right here. Don't touch them yet. They may be hot.
Just touch the cold water. Mommy, before you do that.
Touching the cold water.
And also for this video, I'm gonna eat one of the hamburgers, right? Because I've never tasted hamburger. So, see you when I eat it. Also, if you hold those mushrooms too much, they will burn your finger.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why you should wait until they cool off first,
Yeah.
right? So we have the mushroom here. We have to pat them up dry.
And then I have to put them right here, and then I'll mix them up.
Okay, so just like that.
And also, I'm gonna get another spoon, and then after I'm gonna mix it up. Hey.
Ooh, they're so hot. So hot.
This looks actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Yay.
Thing goes out of the way.
Just like that.
Oh, what is that?
Then put them right here. So we're gonna finish it all the mushrooms and then get back to you guys.
Yeah.
So now we are getting ready to make the teriyaki sauce to add them into the mushrooms.
Yeah.
Right?
And also, we're gonna make it.
Yeah. Okay, we just finished making our teriyaki sauce. Look how beautiful it looks.
And also, we first had to offer it to Kirsta, and then after I taste it, it tastes really good. Make sure for you to taste it and subscribe. My eye was hurting yesterday.
Oh,
and
you feeling better?
Yeah, but it still hurts. And then after, Daddy's gonna put more eye drops.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay. Now it's time to add the teriyaki sauce. Yeah, I just want to let you guys know I had my dinner. It was really good. The mushroom was very well made. It did taste a lot like seitan gluten, and it was very good, very delicious. I love it. Unfortunately, I couldn't make the patty rice because I didn't have any sticky rice. It was really hard. Oh, you got it. What do you think?
That's good, but a little bit bad.
Yeah? Good and bad?
It's good, it's really good, and a little bit bad.
Yeah. But you like him, you're eating it, so that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Yay! Guys, if you don't know this, she is so picky. So I'm so happy that she's eating this right now.
And also this is very sticky and sloppy. Don't you tell my dad something.
Leave a comment below if you do wanting to see more of the cooking videos.
And don't make sure to give me more of those yummy food that Mommy made. I love you, Mama.
Oh, I love you too.
I love your pretty hair. Let me do it for you. I'm so good. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to subscribe and make sure to subscribe. Make sure to see my channel.